He said, what? Ooh, I don't like that. Bum, bum, bum. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Lifeline. My name is Alex, and this channel is designed to inspire you to let your future expand and to find success. Today, we are talking about why your morning routine is killing your productivity. But you want to stay to the end because morning routines do have some redeeming qualities, and we'll go over those after. The first reason why your morning routine is killing your productivity is a lack of flexibility. Morning routines are designed to be done, spoiler alert, in the morning. But what happens if you can't do your routine specifically in the morning? Let's use an example. Your morning routine includes 30 minutes of meditation, but you can't get to it because your sister is coming in town and you have to pick her up from the airport. God, she's always such a nuisance. Point being, your morning routine doesn't have the flexibility to deal with unexpected occurrences, which brings us to the second reason, high stakes. You don't want to be a slave to your morning routine, and you don't want your entire day's productivity to hinder on the success of said one routine. For many people, a failed morning routine is simply a self-fulfilling prophecy of failure for the entire day before the day has even started. Obviously, it's nice when you succeed at your morning routine and it goes the other way, but the stakes are just too high in general, even though she could have just called an Uber. Which leads to our third point of impracticality. A morning routine is meant to be done, by definition, every day. And we know that it is extremely difficult to do any one thing every single day. Just think about how easy it is for us to floss every single day, yet how many of us miss a day here and there. So I don't have a morning routine, but a general daily routine. Instead of meditating for 30 minutes every morning, you can change it to meditate for 30 minutes every day. Anytime, whenever, throughout the day, whenever it's best for you. Or you can have a weekly routine, such as meditate for 30 minutes, 5 days per week. That way your unexpected trip to the airport doesn't ruin your entire day. But with all of that being said, morning routines can still be useful for getting you into a productive state of mind to start the day. So you can even start off with something simple, just like a simple chore, like making your bed or washing the dishes. Even doing something like doing a quick vacuum can be a great morning routine. Personally, I drink 1 to 2 glasses of water, brush my teeth, and make my bed. And I guess you can call that my morning routine. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you found this helpful. If you did, go ahead and do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. And in the meantime, head on over to lifeline.coach, because there I have created a very special New Year's resolutions habit tracking worksheet. And this worksheet allows you to convert your New Year's resolutions or just broad general goals into trackable data so that you can achieve them over the long term. It's totally free, and the link to download is in the description below. Thank you for watching, ladies and gentlemen, and I'll see you next video. There we go. Damn it.